So Deborah, you've been at Cisco about a month now. As you reflect on your first month, what was it that brought you here? What really appealed about this position and the company?
Yeah, so you're right. Today's actually my 1 month anniversary, and I have to say, I've been a customer of Cisco for many years, and I've always admired the company from the outside. I think they've been a true innovator in the internet and in technology in general. Over the past couple of years, I've been really excited about where the company's been taking productivity. Ideas like collaboration have been at least high on my list of priorities in terms of value proposition for customers. And so, the opportunity to come to Cisco, be a part of what I think will be the next wave of technical innovation for the company, combined with just the great people, and of course the fabulous location down here in California. I just put it all together. I just couldn't resist being here.
So Deborah, we're hot on the heels of the Collaboration Summit, where there's some really interesting new technology introductions from the WebEx portfolio, particularly the hosted mail market entry. What can we read into those announcements about the future strategy of the WebEx portfolio that you're now responsible for?
Yeah, I think it was pretty clear at the Collaboration Summit. That was week 2 for me, I think. It was a very exciting time to join the company, because I think in general what we, Cisco, we're saying is that, we're really in this business, right? We're very committed to collaboration as a key endeavor for the company. And of course the products I run, the collaboration software group, which I think within that is WebEx, WebEx Mail, the Jabber solution, they're all key elements to that collaboration strategy. And so I hope what you're hearing is that you're going to see a lot of excitement coming out of Cisco in this space, a lot of innovation coming out of the collaboration software group, a lot of new offerings we think will truly change the way that people live, work, and play, and use our software to drive productivity and innovation within their own company. So it's a very exciting time to be here. I think the launch was just the beginning of what we think will be a very exciting journey for the company into this new space for us.
Cisco introduced a wide array of new technologies at Collaboration Summit. What will you be doing to ensure that those technologies are easy for customers to adopt and introduce into their organizations so that they can reap the benefits, the productivity gains that they're designed to deliver?
Yeah, that's a great question. And one of the things, being a new executive at Cisco, that I've been able to participate in, that I'm really enjoying, is the collaboration board. So for people that are not inside the company, perhaps they've heard about this idea that the company's introduced around boards and councils. As part of the collaboration board, we're looking at just that. We recognize that we have an array of great products that come from the CSG software side, that come from VTG, that come from IP telephony, and the focus of the board is really to work together to build a common architecture and a common product roadmap so that we can really drive the value proposition of all these great solutions for our customers that are fun, that are easy to use, that leverage the value of the network, that bring it all together to drive productivity for them. And so we're already on our way with that, and it's a pretty exciting team to be a part of. It's great.
All in all, when you look at the role you've taken on, Deborah, what are you most excited about?
Besides the great people I get to work with, and being down here in California, which has been tremendously fun, I think it's really the potential of collaboration. It's wonderful being a part of the WebEx team, because I've really learned a lot, even in the past month, about the value of meeting and what it really means to meet, not just for enterprise, not just for business, but for people. I think it's really a great kernel that we're leveraging to drive collaboration and to drive a total experience that can change the way people work, the way people live. And to me, when I work on products that can touch thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people and really make a difference, to me, it's tremendously fun. I think that we can drive new value for Cisco. I think we can drive change in this space and redefine it in a different way. I think it's wide open for us to lead the way, and I've been getting up at 5 in the morning. My partner says, I haven't seen you this excited in years, and as you can see, it's dark outside, so it's true. I'm loving the opportunity.